Hey guys, I'm here with Jessie Paege, YouTuber, and today we are going to completely organize her entire closet. I'm so excited. She has the coolest apartment I have seen yet. I mean, it's really, really cool. I wanted to ask Jessie, how does her closet make her feel? Is she feeling good about it? Is she feeling stressed about it? Does she enjoy getting ready? We want to know everything.
Yes, all right. Yes. I love that. What do you want me to start with?
I want you to let us know, how does your closet make you feel?
Ooh, so this is very needed because I feel like I have so much clothing and such horrible organization that I feel like I always wear the same things, but I have so many options. Or like when I buy new clothing, I'll like throw it somewhere random because it won't have a place, and then sometimes I'll find it like a year later. I'm like, oh my god, like I bought that and I never wore it. And I feel like, I don't know, I have like so many new pieces and things like that. I really like, I go to Buffalo Exchange all the time, and I'm like really into not buying new clothing from sustainable shopping when it comes to clothing. And like I always trade in my clothes and then get new ones from the thrift store. But I always end up losing the new clothes, or like it's bad cycle.
I mean, that's what I love about what I do, is that I can create a ton of new outfits with what you already own. So just like how Jessie was saying she doesn't love to buy new clothes, after working with me, a lot of my clients feel like they already kind of got that shopping bug out of them because they now have a ton of new outfits that they didn't even know were there. Just like what you were saying, I mean, you have so many pieces that are hiding in your closet, and then after we work together, it's like they suddenly appear, you had no idea where they were. It's almost like you just went shopping, but you didn't spend a dime, which is what I personally love. If I could go shopping for free all the time, I would. I mean, it's like, basically we're gonna create like a magic closet. It's gonna be a whole new wardrobe that Jessie has never seen, but we're not gonna buy anything new. It's pretty crazy. Okay, so we're gonna get started, so stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, so now Jessie is gonna give us a little home tour. We're doing the millennial version of MTV Cribs.
Yes.
Show us your closet.
So this is the like filming activity room. So right here I have my unpacked suitcase from Japan. Oh my god, it's so glamorous. And as well as my unpacked makeup and some weaves. We have some weaves back there. And then we have guitars. And then this is like, honestly, literally from like random shoots I've done and stuff, or even like videos I've filmed, and I just kind of like, when I don't have time to put them back in my closet, it's just not good. I just throw them on the frickin' thing, which that's a seat. I'm like, I want to be able to sit again. And then we have tons of glasses. Like that's, you know, okay, a good song. I wear my sunglasses at night, or Sunglasses at Night, technically, by Corey Hart. And then, let me open this. So, because I have aerial hair, I had to have a Little Mermaid themed bedroom. This is where, like, the majority of the clothes are. So I have a lot of wigs. But we have all the wigs here, and then, like, random clothes from, like, who even knows, like, stuff I've bought, you made, like, a point about this, and, like, random costumes. I used to have blonde hair, and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna dress up as Cinderella, and then I changed my hair color for the 5th time, the past month. So, girl, yeah, I'm just gonna leave that. And then we have lots of drawers of, like, so they used to have, like, designated things, but now they're just kind of everything. I don't know. And random clothes, like I haven't opened yet, that I've ordered online. Very organized. Here we have bathing suits. I have some like accessories underneath the bed, like hats. Girl goes to Disney a lot, so I have like a lot of Walt Disney ears. And then a ton of my book that I released when I was 16, which you should all buy. And then there's like the little, I say a walk-in closet, even though that's very loose, and it makes it sound way more bougie than it is, but like I just watch a lot of Gossip Girl, so I'm like, walk-in closet, I'm Claire Waldorf. We have a lot of just like fly-in hangers here. So these the organization here is basically, these are all clothes that I, those are like clothes that maybe sometimes like I'll shoot in and then I'll donate them, but these are clothes that I like really like to wear a lot. Like this shirt is my life. I've been wearing it since I was 15. It is I like thrifted it because I love rainbows and I play electric guitar, and I'm like, and it's a dad shirt. It's necessary. Like, normally I'm like dressing in dad clothes. Like I actually decided to wear a bra today. That doesn't normally happen. Take photos, you know, while it's happening. And then I have a lot of shoes because I have a problem. And they're just all down here. No organization really with that, which is kind of bad. And I feel like I don't wear so many of them. Like, honestly, I think for all of 2019, I have only worn these shoes, and I'm not exaggerating. Like, I just wear my Vans every day. And that's it.
A really great tip when you're going through your closet, as you're going through each category, make a trash bag for that category. Then you can organize everything. So that's exactly what we have with Jessie right now. We have tops, casual things that are going to be folded, swimsuits in that bag. We're all going to put them in these drawers. Something so fun about Jessie's closet is that she has all these great little schoolgirl skirts. So I wanted to show you guys why it's so key that we kept all of the same skirt and why we didn't purge them and donate them. And that's because I think that women should shop kind of like how men shop. So men, most of the times, they know what they like, they know what looks good on them, and they buy a ton in different colors. And so for Jessie, she knows she loves to wear these style skirts in the spring and summer, and she has a ton of different ones, which is perfect. Okay, so we are at day 2 and we are swapping out plastic hangers, upgrading to felt. And as I've been saying, Jessie's super colorful, and we decided to go with a fun teal as opposed to black. So we just got a really affordable bulk pack on Amazon, really easy option, perfect for any closet. Typically, I like to put my clients' most colorful part of their wardrobe, which is usually dresses, up at front, and that way it promotes creativity, makes you excited to get dressed in the morning. It just puts you in a good mood. Guys, time for the big reveal. Let's see it. Wow. This is for sure the most colorful wardrobe you've ever seen. So happy and clean. We have jeans all separated up here, pants all separated up here by style, by color, dresses. Okay, so we just finished Jessie's closet, and now that she's less stressed out about her closet, we have an extra few minutes to chat with her. And I want to hear some fun things about Jessie because she, like I said, she has the coolest apartment. I know that there's really cool and interesting facts about her that I'm dying to know, so I'm sure you're dying to know. What was Jaymes' favorite song?
Those bops. I listen to so much Panic at the Disco. I like worship Freddie Mercury.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so celeb crush.
Celeb crush? Harry Styles.
Ooh.
Oh my god. He has me feeling a type of way.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, we are filming this. The Met Gala just happened, so hot or not, Harry Styles loved the Met Gala.
He had heels, he had a lace front, his nails were painted. Like, he just ended toxic masculinity.
Favorite fashion item?
Ooh. I love like overall dresses. I wear them all the time. I feel like you probably were if you go to my Instagram, it's so like colorful and rainbow, and then like today I'm wearing the most like, I feel like people don't realize I don't wear that stuff every day. Like it's so crazy. Literally I just wear like black, white on my days I'm like at the grocery store.
Instagram versus reality.
Yes, Instagram versus reality, literally.
I love it. I love it. Favorite videos to vlog about? Favorite like theme, favorite content? Ooh. Besides organizing with Caitlin Jaymes, obviously.
Oh my god, I'm doing this new series where I've just been like hiring significant others, and it's so funny. Like I just like I just hired a boyfriend for the day, and it was so funny.
How did you find this boyfriend?
So I put up an Instagram story, and I was like,
this is amazing.
I was like, if there are any emo boys out there, you know, like, that will let me paint their nails. Actually, I literally said that, like, and I was like, partially joking, but like, if someone was gonna make an offer, I was like, hell yeah.
Maybe Harry Styles is watching. Dive deep. So what is a closet fact? And that's my way of saying what's a fun fact that no one knows about you.
I don't know if this is like fun, but
It doesn't have to be fun. Something no one knows about you.
Ooh, I'm like super like, I'm like double extended, like my arm's been back weird, like in every single way, like my fingers are like really weird.
Oh, whoa.
And then my oh my god, it's like what? My arms,
oh,
like
it's hyperextended, right?
Hyperextended,
Yeah.
my legs are like that too. Yeah, just weird things.
Wow.
Be sure to subscribe.
Yes.